Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to sew Christmas stockings. If you are a beginner, you will love this tutorial as they are quite easy to make. Let's get into the video. You don't need a special sewing pattern, just draw a simple stocking shape and a matching cuff. Add seam allowance and don't forget about hanging loop. To make one stocking, you will need to cut 2 stockings shapes and 2 cuffs from your main fabric. Then repeat the same cuts from your lining. I made my hanging loops using a bias tape maker. It's super quick and neat, so that's what I would recommend. Alright, to start, place stockings right sides together and pin. Then sew a straight stitch all over. Repeat the same with lining, except leave a small opening for turning on one side. Sew the cuffs the same way, right sides together, straight stitch along the side seam. To make a loop, fold bias tape in half and sew a straight stitch close to the edge. Then sew both ends together to create a loop. Trim the seam allowance. You can use pinking shears if you like. Turn your stocking right side out and give it a good press so everything lays flat. Press the cuff's seam allowance open on both the main fabric and the lining. Then attach your trim. I use the free arm on my sewing machine to make this easier. Place the cuff and lining right sides together and pin at the edge where the cuff will end, not at the stocking opening. Sew a straight stitch. Turn the cuff right side out and give it a press. Attach the loop to the side seam of the cuff and secure in place. Place the stocking inside the cuff, right sides together, and sew them together around the opening. Place the stocking inside the lining, right sides together, and sew around the opening. Turn the stocking right side out through the opening you left in the lining. Then stitch the opening closed. Give the opening area a nice press to finish everything off. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.